This is lesson 8, number 13. You try it, adding else to the password checker. If we add an else clause to the password checker, we can make it act a little fancier. Study the animation at the right. So enter the password, click login. That was wrong, so it says access denied. Enter the password, click login, and it says yes. Okay. Add an if-else statement to the login button event handler that shows the unlock and displays access granted if the user enters the password correctly. Otherwise, show the lock and display access denied. Note the setup. Again, we have two images, a lock and an unlock, but this time both are hidden at the start. There is also a text label at the bottom where we'll display a message, but it starts empty as well. There are two event handlers. The first event handler on login button click is where you should add your if-else statement. We'll provide the statements you need to add into the appropriate clause. The second event handler on password input click acts as a reset. You should not need to modify anything in this event handler. It simply hides all images and sets the messages text to empty string. Hint. Your if-else statement is going to use the same Boolean expression as before. The structure of it should look like this. If the text in the password input is the same as some secret, show green unlock, display access granted. Else, show red lock, display access denied. Okay, I'm going to switch to block view, I believe, here. And for the button login, we need it says add an if-else statement here. So I'm going to drag out an if-else statement. And the condition, we're shown down here, needs to be if the get text, first we need the equals, the equality, and we need to get the text for the password input. That needs to equal, let's just say HMS is our secret password, in which case we need to show, if that's correct, we need to say access granted. We need to show the green lock, and we also need to hide the red lock. So I'm going to, well, actually, I'm just going to, all we need to do is show the green lock because the red lock is already hidden. Otherwise, we need to say access denied, and we need to show the red lock. Okay, let's test this out. Run. I'm going to type in HMS and then click login. Access granted. As soon as I click in here, it gets reset. That's done for us. And then I'm going to type something else and click login, access denied. So every time you click in the box, it gets reset for you automatically so you can test it over and over again. And we're done.